Ekaterina Sky. I'm a visual artist, and today we'll be talking about how to awaken your creativity. As a creative soul, I can definitely tell you that I'm moved by inspiration. But sometimes I can't get to it because there's so many other things that have to be done. So how Addison Stenzel said, part of being a creative soul is structuring your life to make the most of each precious minute. It is important to find a routine that fits you and to develop habits that will be automatic day by day and that will free your mind and space in your day for your creative soul. Because anxiety and worry will only preoccupy your mind, thinking that you don't have enough time in the day to be creative. What you can do to help your routine is have a to-do list. So I have this amazing agenda that I really love and it really inspires me, and I write every evening my schedule for the next day, hour by hour. Well, that's what works for me. This way, before going to bed, I know that everything is scheduled for the next day, my mind is free, and when I wake up, I know exactly what I have to be doing. And sometimes I've noticed when I don't have my to-do list, my day is just unproductive because I'm all over the place. I don't really know where to start. Sometimes I even feel like there's nothing that has to be done when there's actually a lot of things that I need to be doing. Prioritize the things on your to-do list. Get rid of unnecessary things that just clutter your day and don't actually bring you any value or bring you closer to your goals. Delegation. Sometimes, yes, there are those things that pile up and you're like, oh my god, I never have time to do that and I can actually use my time so much better. So here are some websites. Another thing that might help you a lot is reminders. Set reminders on your phone. This way you don't have to preoccupy your mind like, oh my god, in an hour I have to do this. It pops up and you're like, oh, okay, this has to be done. And there's no mind space that's being taken while you're creating and while you're being productive. Time slots. Having time slots for the things that you need to do is very helpful because sometimes if you have a thing that, let's say, will take 6 hours, you can minimize it and you can do 20 minutes a day for a certain task, and this way it doesn't become overwhelming and you actually can get things done without this anxiety and resistance and procrastination beforehand, because you know you're only going to do this for 20 minutes and then you're done. And the next day, and just little by little, it actually will get you much further than doing this whole block in 6 hours. Another thing that I find helps me a lot is timing myself. Sometimes, I don't know, maybe you're guilty of that too, I can spend hours upon hours, let's say, creating a post simply because I'm such a perfectionist and I want it to be perfect. But yes, there's so many other things that have to be done. So by timing myself and let's say giving myself only half hour to create a post limits me. I feel like I'm back at university and have my exams, it has to be written, otherwise hasta la vista baby, you're not getting your diploma. And so now that you've freed your mind and you have more space for your creativity, but yet there's no inspiration, I know what you need to do. You need to change your environment. Because by changing your environment, you're allowing your mind to relax and get inspired. I don't know what it is for you. For me, it's nature. Going for a walk or for a hike brings me so much joy and recharges me with so much creativity that I come back into the studio and I'm like, I'm ready to do this. Yeah. Whatever it is for you, change your environment. If it's a coffee shop that you want to work at, do your thing. And if your studio or your working space is not as inspiring as you wish it would be and you have this perfect image of what a perfect studio would have been, if you find the color of the walls is not inspiring for you, paint them. It can actually be so much fun. Like we painted walls in this room and it was amazing. I had Josh and John helping me to paint it and we had lots of fun, and now this white walls actually clear my mind and inspire me to create more art. Make your studio an inspiring space filled with things that you love. Once again, life is too short to procrastinate, so make sure you use every moment to move towards your artistic dream. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below. I hope I helped you. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And remember, be kind to animals. I love you so much. You're my cutie patootie. You're my cutie patootie. You do this.